I have been using boAt Airdopes 281 for 6 months. So if you have any questions, so please let me know in the comment box. Now I'm gonna show you what you are gonna get in the box. Guys, let's open the box. The box packaging is impressive than usual. I can feel that. I can feel the quality of the box. This Airdopes has 4-star rating on Flipkart and Amazon. That's really good rating at this price point. Here we go. Let's see what exactly we are gonna get. Okay, so this is case. It seems pretty strong. You know guys, when I bought it, I was expecting much better sound quality, but it turned out it has a decent sound quality. Let's talk about look. It has, decent look, not super cool, but that's totally fine. Guys, what do you think about its looks? Please let me know in the comment box. This is online bill. I'm gonna take it out. Air tips, earplugs available in small, medium and large size. Remember guys, when you use smaller one, you will see the changes in sound quality. In fact, you will get bad sound quality when you use smaller one, something like that. So now you're gonna see this is the list of boAt products. You will see here all types of products list. Well, this is the online bill. I bought these Airdopes for 1800 rupees. I don't know whether you're able to see it or not. Little bit expensive. What do you think? Please let me know in the comment box. Guys, remember one thing here, okay? It's very important. When you buy, you have to follow the instruction how to operate, okay? So many people are complaining about they are not able to connect both earbuds at the same time, okay? Something like that. Honestly, you have to learn the settings, how to use it, otherwise you will get frustrated. Guys, when I bought it, first I had no issues with that, but after that I had setting issue. I got so much frustrated because of setting issue. Then I watched several videos. These earbuds are ready to use now. So when you buy new one, you don't have to do any kind of setting, okay? Just turn on your Bluetooth, they will be ready to use. Guys, one thing is very important, as I already mentioned. I'm quite sure in the future you will face sort of difficulty to connect both earbuds at the same time. So please consider the menu as your guidance map, okay? So nothing more to say guys. If you like this video, so please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell, which is really gonna help you out to get my new video each and every week.